Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Joseph White here, and you guys are watching another episode of the J-Dub Twins. Today I'm here to talk to you guys about the Harmon and KARDON Sound System. I got a request from a viewer asking me to locate and identify all 18 speakers for this system, and I'm here more than happy to do that for you guys today. The Harmon and KARDON system consists of 4 subwoofers, 7 mid-range speakers, and 7 tweeter speakers, okay? And we'll start by identifying the subwoofers. We've got 2 located in the front, 2 located in the back in the trunk. 2 located up front is going to be 2 6x9-inch subwoofers located in the driver's side door and passenger side door, okay? And then we're going to have the 7 mid-range speakers. These are going to be 90mm, okay, mid-range speakers. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we've got 2, 6, and 7 right behind the rear passenger seat headrests, okay? Now we have the tweeters. Again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 tweeters in the exact same locations. I know what you guys are thinking. You guys are thinking, hey Joe, wait a second, that ain't right. How do we got the tweeters located in the same location as the mid-range speakers? Well, let me tell you. So we've got the 90mm mid-range speaker, right? And then inside of it, we've got the 19mm tweeter speaker, okay? These are called unity speakers. Yes, guys, I'm talking about speaker inception, okay? Speakers within speakers, all right? So that's how they were able to fit it in there, okay? Very innovative, very cool thing. All right, so let's hit the last 2 speakers. We've got 2 10-inch subwoofers, dual subwoofers located in the back. And here we go. So 17, 18, okay? 16 located in the cabin, 17 and 18 located in the trunk. So that's pretty much it, guys. 18 speaker sound system. The amp is located underneath the floor toward the center of the vehicle. So in order to have this package added to your vehicle, if you order it or if you buy it, it's going to cost you an extra $1,595. And I know for some of you guys, immediately you're like, you know what, yo, that's gonna be a no for me, dog. And I completely understand that. A lot of you guys don't get this vehicle for its creature comforts. You get it for the performance. A lot of you, instead of hearing music, you want to hear this. And I completely understand. I love the sound of the exhaust, but I also love music, and I love the way this sound system sounds. I'm telling you guys, it's great. So you know what, let's go ahead and just try to see if we can't get the sound going so you guys can at least hear what it sounds like. And I'm telling you though, this camera, the microphone in this camera, does not do the speakers justice, okay? If you get the chance, go out there to a dealership. If a buddy's got the sound system, get into their vehicle, listen to the Harmon KARDON sound system. It sounds great. I'm telling you guys, you're gonna love it. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next episode of the J-Dub Twins.